Welcome to this short tutorial where I'll guide you through one of our university's most valuable tools, the Pedagogical Practices Simulator. This is an academic tool that helps undergraduate students design and carry out simulated pedagogical and didactic practices based on problem situations, allowing them to strengthen their teaching skills and apply them in real educational contexts. When you open the link, you'll see the main page of the simulator. I recommend starting by watching the welcome video from our leader, Julio Cesar Talande. He explains the purpose of this virtual space and how it supports your learning process. Then, go to the Information section and click on Suggested Simulations. Here, look for Methodology for an English Lab. You'll find a space with a video that explains in detail a problem-based situation. This video introduces you to the context of the simulation and the challenge you'll work on. Next, open the Metadata section. Here, you can read the general course description, and in simulation details, you'll find the objectives, competences, identification of problems, associated references, and the problem situation, which you should read carefully before continuing. It is essential that you explore the Contents and Resources section, which contains the key materials required to address the problem situation. Now, let's move to the Simulation tab. First, you need to accept the terms and conditions. Once inside, you can review the problem situation and select the answer you consider most appropriate. After that, you'll see a space where you can justify your answer. Here, there are no strictly right or wrong answers in this simulation. Instead, we ask that you justify your choices carefully using your reasoning, classroom experiences, and references to authors or research. This thoughtful justification is what will strengthen your learning. When you finish, click Submit. You'll receive instant feedback for each answer. Remember to complete all the questions, and at the end, you'll be able to download a PDF file with all your responses and feedback.
As a second step, go to the Research Assistant section. As its name suggests, this tool is designed to support you in your research process. First, you should watch the introductory video. Then, click on the blue arrow on the right. You'll find a video for each research section: qualitative approach, quantitative approach, mixed methods, case study, experimental, historical, and ethnographic. It's very important to take notes while watching these videos, as they will help you understand the differences and characteristics of each approach. After reviewing all the sections, including title, observation and problematization, review of the literature, hypothesis, instruments and data analysis, findings and conclusions, and bibliography, you must begin developing your own research ideas, creating a short but concise proposal by following the instructions provided in each stage. Finally, you must download the file that compiles all the information you included during the development of the Research Assistant.